Hi friends and subscribers. Today I will tour you outdoor recreation facility in West Coast of United States. It is rifle range where you can fire various rifles like sniper rifles, air guns, self-loading rifles as well as machine guns and AK-47s. Here trainer will be there so that you can fire a gun on your wish on pay basis. You can see the AK-47s there as well as these are all concealed guns like pistols, carbides, etc. as well as revolvers. These are highly sophisticated weapons of German origin as well as various countries. This is submachine guns as well as revolvers. This is bigger version of guns called field guns. These are all American made guns like MK rifles. See the length of the guns. These guns are pretty big. These are all submachine guns, bazookas, Sten guns of various countries. We can buy these guns under license. See, you can see all sort of guns. Mostly these are all sniper guns and machine guns. These are all the weapons used by special forces. These are all handheld submachine guns, bazookas, as well as self-loading rifles. These rifles you can see in most of the Hollywood movies, most in Arnold movies. See, these are all sniper rifles. And this is self-loading rifles, single and double cartridge. This is bazooka, which can fire high intensity round, which can disable a vehicles like that. This is world famous AK-47 rifle, which were all familiar, followed by various American brand guns. These guns of various size and shapes of and they are used on different purpose. We cannot fire the gun unless you are properly trained. It's very difficult to fire these weapons without proper knowledge. This is submachine guns mostly used by bodyguards which are protecting VIPs. Please subscribe to my channel. As I mentioned you before, these are all concealed weapons which you can carry in cases. See, these guns are very sophisticated guns, high precious guns. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.